Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Dunya. In this episode, let me present you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 14th March 2022. Now, due to Russian invasion of Ukraine, markets have been very volatile. Markets have been falling 500 to 1000 points. Now today, let me present you first the FII statistics. So here you can see FIIs and FPIs have sold to the tune of 2,263 crores, and whereas the DIIs were net buyers, so they have purchased about 1,686. That is on 11th March. Okay, after the weekend, things have changed. Now DIIs are buyers and FIIs are net sellers. So now let me come to the data on derivatives for FIIs. So first let me concentrate on so this is the data. Let me read. So yellow is marked for FIIs, then pros and retailers. So let me present you the data. If you look at the FII statistics, so FII statistics here, so you can see FIIs have shorted the index. So FIIs are short in the index, and in the options you can see they have got very high positions in put. So FIIs view is bearish, and even they have shorted the shorted calls and put almost to the same tune. So now let me come to the DIIs. DIIs are also short in the index. So you can see here. Let me mark it properly. See, DIIs short in the index, and DIIs hardly have any positions in calls. Even DIIs have taken positions in put. And what about the retail clients? See, retail clients are long in the index. They are almost opposite. Whatever FIIs and DIIs are selling, these retailers are buying. So market may not go higher. Now you can see FIIs, DIIs, they have been buying puts, but whereas retailers have long positions in call. Okay, long contracts of retailers are more than the short contracts. So the market view is slightly bearish if you see both FIIs and retailers. Now let me come to the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. Let me come first to the Nifty chart. Let me close this. I close this. Okay, close this. Now let me come to the Nifty chart. So as you can see, let me place it somewhere here. Yes, as you can see from FIIs and DIIs, market is slightly bearish. Now if you see the Nifty chart, Nifty is slightly trading higher. It is at around 16,670 here. Now the next resistance based on the pivots, next resistance is here. So it is placed at so this is the resistance. So 16,718, and pivot is, this is the pivot, 16,595. Upper range of the pivot is, we have got 16,608. And the lower range is 16,583. So now it is trading between 16,608 to 16,718. You can only buy if Nifty takes out 16,718, then it will become bullish. Now the immediate support for Nifty is 16,608. If it falls below 16,583. Yeah, even if it is falling below 16,595, you can go bearish. You can sell Nifty for a target of 16,497. That is the immediate support. So Nifty strategy is very simple. It is trading nowhere. It is trading between 16,600 to 16,700. Yeah, and if it only goes above 16,718, you can go for a buy. If it is trading below 16,608, below the pivot, you can sell Nifty for a target of 16,497. Now let me come to the Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty level. Okay, Bank Nifty is almost at the, so if you see at this point, 34,919. So that is the immediate resistance. If it takes out that, then we may have a upper level of 35,288. Yeah, Bank Nifty has very good support at 34,000. That is at the pivot level, 508. Okay. Now, if Bank Nifty falls below 34,508 and it's below, then Bank Nifty will have a fall up to 34,137. And the next support for Bank Nifty is 33,730. Yeah, so today there is no much news on the war front, and the currency also has stabilized except for ruble. Now we can expect a very stable trade in the range what is happening. So unless it takes out the resistance, please do not go long, because it is in a trading range. So people buy call and puts, they will lose the premium. So thank you for watching this episode. If there is any major news on the war front, I will come with another video to highlight the points. So thank you. Keep watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.